We clean the soldering tip by rubbing it on the sandpaper. We clean it on the cloth. And then we apply heat to the wire. We stay for, let's say, 30 seconds applying heat to the wire, and then we apply the tin. We have to wait till it is hot enough. Now it begins to melt. It has to wet it. Now we need to apply heat. The idea is to melt it, not just a drop. It has to be melted, really melted. And that's it. This is finished. This is what I'm expecting from you. You have to apply a soldering junction to all of this. Okay? That's it.